What is a real perfect timing, and is it possible at all? You're going to see a lot of amazing things today. Sometimes just one moment can save your life. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
I can't understand if returning the ball to where it came from means that this kid is incredibly skilled or that he is very bad at it. The passenger of this motorcycle momentarily forgot about the existence of gravity. With perfect timing, a monkey can turn into a human much faster than you think. Here is a real Spider-Man working as a pizza delivery guy. If your parents didn't teach you that stealing is bad, then this girl will definitely teach you. When no one believes in you, you have to do everything yourself, even bet on yourself. In the battle between the guy and the barrier, the real winners are the police. Two planes landed at the same time at the San Francisco airport. What an exciting sight. I wonder how many attempts it took them to master it, and how they managed to keep such an unflappable expression on their faces, as if it was easy. If the hog had run out just a second later, we would have witnessed a very strange collision. This helicopter was rescuing the injured driver from the scene of the accident and was about to take off, but then a truck appeared. That's why you shouldn't make sharp turns on a semi-trailer. This driver must have felt like Dominic Toretto. This cyclist definitely didn't expect to be so lucky. Yes, he lost his bike, but at least he has a new mattress now. It's just perfect timing. China has its own rules for using elevators, especially among teenagers. This delivery driver should start celebrating the anniversary of this event as a second birthday. This guy was lucky that the skateboard was in the right place at the right time. Here's what 100% synchronization looks like. This fish voluntarily jumped into a fishing boat. This is the level of fishing that everyone would like to be at. Even Neo would envy this guy. This group of people welcomes the new year when Iron Man snaps his fingers. I wonder how many years it took them to hone this moment. When the barrier decides that she will be too warm in this jacket. The train cars were lined up so perfectly that the driver's cabin was visible from the last car. Just look at his equanimity, how cool he is. When you're just minding your own business, driving along the road, and suddenly. It's good that the moose had very good reflexes. Which of them is lucky? The owner of the phone? Or a random guy whose backpack got the phone? The truck driver wanted to run over the railroad at the very last second. He must have used up his entire quota of luck. "10 out of 10. The fisherman decided to give the eagle a fish as a treat. Look how cleverly the bird caught it. This plane had just enough time to take off and clear the runway for the next plane at the very last second. Everyone has hard days at work, even if you're a thief. When you clap your hands at the right moment. One of the reasons why you should never drink and drive a car. The situation when you accidentally turned into Harry Potter. I suspect that even if he tried to repeat it, he wouldn't be able to. This guy looks like a real Hawkeye, only with a slingshot. I believe that this craftsman has calculated everything to the last millimeter. Looks like we found Poseidon's daughter. The owner parked his car very successfully, which saved her from a tornado. If there was a Guinness World Record for the fastest motorcycle theft, then these guys would have earned themselves this title by stealing a motorcycle in just 11 seconds. Here you see two perfect scores. The driver of the car was just passing by the accident when suddenly,
Filha da puta. Caralho, filha da puta.
fortunately, he managed to turn aside at the very last moment. Here are the real-life Harry and Marv from the movie Home Alone. Do you still consider yourself unlucky? Surveillance cameras are true miracle workers. This guy was watching a high-speed chase on the news when suddenly it almost looks like footage from the new John Wick movie. Have you ever seen a car riding a skateboard? Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.